Ulam for today is kamote tops. Ginisang kamote tops. Luto ng asawa ko. Yun, sarap. Yummy guys ha. Kamote tops lang tayo. Pajikas dyan. 0905-262-6852. Sarap. Yummy guys ha. Yummy. Kamote tops. Ulam for today is kamote tops. Ulam for lunch. Okay, kamote tops lang ang ulam namin. Luto ng asawa ko ay kamote tops. Yan ang suka para maasim-asim. Thank you for watching.